Hello everyone, welcome to my new tutorial. In this video we will be painting a cute polar bear. If you are my Patreon member, you get extended version with a drawing and a couple of different traceable download files. If you would like to become one, check the link in the description for more details. This is how you support my channel and my art, and I really appreciate it. I'm using my number 10 round ultramarine blue, and I'm gonna start with a background and indigo. More ultramarine blue, and it's gonna be dark rich blue background. So I'm just gonna go around the bear. And we will be using salt technique today. So I'm just going around, wet down everything. Okay, now I'm gonna mix more. I need a lot of paint here. And I'm going pretty fast and filling up around. So more ultramarine blue. Don't be afraid to go with dark rich color because it's gonna dry lighter anyways. So I'm going around the bear. So I'm going with richer blue. And under his feet for the shadow. I want to go more with ultramarine blue. And a little bit of violet turquoise. I like that tealish shade. Probably all the way down here. Okay. So everything is nice with rich blue color. I'm taking my pink Himalayan sea salt and just sprinkle around my background. And just wait until it's all dry, and I will leave it to dry naturally without using hair dryer. So now the background is dry, and I'm just going with my finger and scraping off that salt. Okay, and we got some really cool texture around the bear. And now I'm gonna start painting my bear using same bluish shades, adding a little bit of burnt sienna. So if you guys hear some noise, it's my puppy. I have a little golden doodle and she's chewing her bone right now and makes some weird noises. So I'm gonna go and just add the shadows around. So leaving lots of white areas. So the left side I'm gonna add more shadows, and on the right leave it lighter. So with burnt sienna, adding some brownish under the head. So with the bear is white, right? But we just need to add some shadows. And create the volumes so he looks three-dimensional and not flat. Okay, I'm gonna use pink color and add some pinkish chicks. Yeah, make him look a little cuter. And his paws also with some pink color. And I'm gonna add a tiny bit of yellow so I get some orangey shade as well. And now with deeper red, I'm gonna add the darker red shade. Okay, we can start painting his Santa hat. So I'm using red color. So the right side I'm gonna keep lighter, add highlight, but the left will be in the shadow, same as his left side of his body. And just stopping right at the pom-pom. I'm gonna go with darker red. So I'm gonna add blue. Into alizarin crimson. To get the deep red color. I'm gonna clean my brush and just soften the left side. So I'm just lifting that red. And in some areas I'm gonna add deeper again. In the creases. just like so. Okay, now with indigo, gonna put dots for the eyes and leaving tiny highlight. Actually, I'm gonna add it with white gouache. So we just painted simple eyes and simple nose. So I can leave highlight on the nose and also draw that line for the mouth and inside the ears. Okay, same bluish, grayish color again. I'm gonna add a little bit on the ears and the pom-pom. And under his neck again, I'm gonna add deeper shadow and right in here. So adding a little bit of burnt sienna again to get that grayish color. And some areas just softening that. So painting his feet loosely and like a strokes with tip of my brush. I'm just creating this fur looking brush strokes around. So going around the eyes. So this part can be darker because it's right inside. So I'm gonna wait this left part to dry and add some more fur details on it. Some dry brush strokes. Okay, let's wait a couple of minutes right here. So I waited a few minutes for this left side to dry. Now I'm gonna go with my number 4 and use same colors and add just brush strokes for the fur. So keeping this inner shadow darker, going around the paws. This is also his paw. So right now I'm using indigo and burnt sienna. just adding darker gray value around, and especially in the shadow areas, and defining fur. So I can go a little bit with outline. And just fixing the ear. And this is pretty much it. So I'm gonna go with darker red and indigo. Just add some texture details on the head as well. So keeping the left darker. And I'm gonna add a little bit of cadmium red to add the interest to my red. It looks just too dull. Yeah, I'm happy now. Using white gouache, just gonna add a tiny highlight on his nose and in the eyes. And you can use white gel pen. There you go. Can go a little bit on the head. A tiny highlight on the red. You guys can also splatter white gouache. Just gonna splatter snow around him. Oh yeah. Here is our polar bear. Can fix the ear a little bit. And I would like to sign my initials. And now I'm just removing my Scotch tape. And here's our cute polar bear Christmas card. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Comment below with any questions, with your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll add all the details about the supplies in the description.